So we're gonna box a coo, yeah, wall scone UV fly trap. Okay, let's see what's inside this thing. A fly trap that kills softly and no annoying sparks or zapping noise. Made in China. Top, side, other side, bottom, nothing. More info right here. So 200 volts, 6 watt bulb, 600 feet. Actually tell you how many square feet it covers. That's sort of small room. So I got this because it looks like industrial size. It looks professional, sort of. So yeah, let's see. There's the info. Let's take a look. I'll wrap nothing. Okay. Power cable, wall mount. Booklet, papers, sticky pad. Like, let's stick it out. And then there's a cover thing. And then here's the item. So let's see. Stick with it. Let's see how to open it. Figure it out. Looks like. So there it is. One bag to roll them all. Not kidding. Multiple bags to roll them all. What's inside? Looks like it's a little. Oh, it's loose. Fudge. It's loose. Alright, cool. So it looks like that's plastic. Plastic. Two. So it says it lifts up or something. So you mount it like that onto the wall, and you close it. Oh, sorry. Mount it, close it, etc. Looks like you can hook it up, close it away, and then you stick it on somehow. So both sides you could have it left or right side. Looks like where you could hook up the power. Oh, that's crazy. You could hook up powers on both sides. Oh, cool. So I'm not sure if you could do consecutive. So here's a bulb. Looks like it's making noise. Okay, there's the bottom. I wonder if it's broken already. Because there is already sound. You could change out the bulb if you need to. Here's the bulb. Let's see if it works. Let's turn it on. Put it back on. Turn. You don't need the cap. And here's some more info. Power this side, left or right. So there's no on or off. So let's just plug in. Oh, that's a little weird. Okay, let's see the bag. Whole mounts. Look at that. Stick it on the wall. Drill. Ow. It doesn't look like it's that heavy, but the back doesn't look like you can have anything to really stick on. So it is wall mount. It'd be hard to stick something using the 3M sticker on it. So one of the books. Here's a book. Some info you guys could read. Pause it if you guys need. Let's see. Replacing tube. Number. What it comes with. And then let's see the bag. So we're gonna look at, here's a light bulb. You could unplug both sides, and here is the cable. So let's see, and then outlet, and here's a plug. So yeah, let's plug it in and see if it works. Keep in mind this is UV, so you don't want to be shining it on yourself too much. It gives you UV damage. Let's turn it on. And look at that, it does work, even with sound. So yeah, there it is for that, and then let's mount it. There it is, open. Take a look at the pad. So here's the pad that came with it. It came with, looks like 3, looks like you just buy one of the extra pads at the stores, and then just stick it on. You can buy the square one, it doesn't really matter, I think, just stick it on. So it looks like to stick it on is you slide it. That's like barely big enough to slide on. Voila, slide on, slide it off. So yeah. And then here's how to attach the light. So it's like, voila, attached. And then mount the power. Just draw and it comes out of there. Voila. Let's see how it looks while closed. There it is on. So yeah, there it is. It's purple in my eyes and it's blue in the camera. Okay, cool. So yeah, no off and on, just plug it in. So yeah, and then also here is the wall mount. It's a lot bigger than I thought. This is decent heavy, but okay. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask. I'll be link description and descriptions below to where to get this. I got this on Amazon. It's around 40 something with $3 off or something. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.